with rocket launchers on it. Check it out. We're in Dayton, Ohio. Wonder where he's going to war at. And that's a U.S. Army military truck with 8 missiles on it. I don't know if he's getting ready to turn into a truck stop or what. I don't know where he's going. He ain't got a turn signal on to turn into a truck stop, but yeah. That bad boy's got rocket launchers. W503. We're out here in Vandalia. On my way to Central Transport. They offered me a job for $2,000 a week. Let's go see what it's about. I mean, there's no military base out here. There's National Guard at the airport, I think. What are they having out here? A damn rodeo or something? All general admission parking. I don't even know what's going on in the air show. I mean, is he going to be firing some missiles off? Yep, it's the air show again. I didn't know that. Damn. Handicap next left. Yep, she's standing short of a rocket launcher. Peace. Like, share, subscribe.